bar soaps have ruled the roost for the last few thousand years at least in terms of accessibility and popularity. But are they still a relevant option when it comes to cleaning your body as you bathe in today's day and age, especially considering some of the options that we have out there on the market right now? That's what we're going to talk about in today's video, so let's find out. Now it's important to understand the actual ingredients that go into bar soap and how they were made so that we can answer the question fully as to whether and how bar soaps tend to dry out your skin, which is true. Believe it or not, the first recorded recipe for bar soaps actually came from ancient Babylonian times and was written on a tablet dating back to 2200 BC. It contained only 3 ingredients: water, an alkaline compound, and the oil of cassia, which is an aromatic oil. Most of the bar soaps that have been created throughout the years focus on these 3 ingredients or ingredient substitutes that can go alongside them: fats and oils, water, and usually lye. Now these substances all come together to create an effective, but albeit too effective, cleaner for your skin. But why does this happen? Why is bar soap too harsh? Well, it all has to do with just how harsh and how high the pH of bar soap is compared to some of the alternatives. The reason bar soaps dry out your skin is because bar soaps, especially compared to the alternatives, have an extremely basic pH, meaning a pH of 7+, usually on the far end of the spectrum. Our bodies, on the other hand, tend to keep kind of an oily layer over the top of our skin, which is actually slightly acidic, or a pH of 7 and below. And this oily layer is supposed to help our skin retain moisture to keep it elastic and healthy as opposed to dry, cracking, bleeding, and anything like that. A strong base, like a strong alkaline cleaner like you can find in bar soaps, is really, really good at breaking down the oily layer, which is an acidic compound on the top of our skin, which therefore breaks down our skin's ability to retain that moisture, causing it to feel dry. So why don't body washes dry out our skin? After all, they're cleaners, right? Well, not exactly. They're not the same kind of cleaner as soap is. Soap is a pretty harsh alkaline, whereas body washes usually contain synthetic or natural detergents that are combined and diluted with water. Because these detergents are closer to the middle of the range in terms of pH, they're generally more gentle on that oil layer that we have on the top of our skin. And not only this, but because they're liquid by nature, we can also do things like add certain additives that help us retain that moisture and protect that oily layer as opposed to getting rid of it completely. One of those additives that you can commonly find is like glycerin. All this is to say that modern body washes out there are better and safer for your skin to use and don't cause as much irritation, breakouts, acne, eczema, anything like that, simply because they're more gentle since they have a closer pH to the natural acidic oil that is secreted by our skin. So if you've used bar soaps for a while and have gotten used to that kind of tight and dry feeling, which I personally don't find very comfortable, then maybe it's time for a change. Maybe it's time to try something like Volt's Body Wash, which is an all-natural, sulfate-free body wash that has caffeine in it to help amp up your morning routine and make you feel good and keep your skin hydrated. So if you guys like super quick videos like these, please leave a comment down in the comment section. Tell us what kind of soap or body wash or body scrub or whatever it is that you use, why you use it, and just how it makes you feel. If you have questions, comments, concerns, maybe even topics for other videos that you'd like to see or that you'd like us to do research about, leave that in the comment section as well. We'd like to get back to you with those videos. And if you guys enjoyed this video, please hit like and subscribe. You greatly help out the channel by doing that, and you'll be notified when we have more videos coming out like this on topics that you might find interesting. So head over to voltgrooming.com, get yourself a body wash to try. You'll be glad that you did. And we will see you guys in the next video.